it has unironically taken me months to fix my sleep schedule. And there's one little trick that I did. And I'm doing right now because I fucked it up again. And it is stay up until pull an all-nighter and stay up until 6 a.m. until fucking like 7 p.m. Go to sleep. Sleep schedule's fucking perfect. And so basically, I have a meal in front of me. I have a Monster. I have half a rotisserie chicken, Subway cookies, 2 apples, and pork. Now you may be wondering, Ronan, why are you recording a video? This is basically a mukbang. Why? Why would I do this to myself? I honestly don't know. So, fuck it, we ball. Alright. Let's get started on these fucking apples. God damn. Current progress. Oh, that is heavenly. Oh my god. Eat a good chunk of an apple and have some Monster with it. Oh my god, that is really good. This is great. Alright. First thing done. Oh shit, I actually don't know where to put it. I just chucked it out my window. Can I see out there? No. Why did I do it? For funsies. Alright, what are we gonna do next? You may think I'm gonna do the sample next. No, I'm not. Gonna do fucking Subway cookies, I guess. Yo, it's just falling apart in there. It's. Alright, one bite. Look. It fucking sucks. Alright. What's the next thing we're doing? Definitely not these cookie chunks. Because that cookie fucking sucked. We're gonna do... Yes. Yeah, I'm doing the rotisserie chicken. Alright, if you guys can't tell, this thing's been fucking, oh my god. I don't think you can even call that rotisserie chicken anymore. That's like, it's like the bare minimum of a chicken. Oh, it's kind of nasty. Oh my god, that's what that fucking shit is. Oh my god. I feel like a vulture right now. I'm picking scraps off the bone. The fork wouldn't even be effective in this. I'd have to keep going, like, scooping up and down and shit. just raw dogging it. Oh my god. I'm like a fucking hyena. Yeah, this is. There's no skin. There's literally no skin. All right. What is this? Did I just rip out its spinal cord or some shit? Oh, that's a wing. Nope, can't do that. Okay. I don't know what this is. Nope, that's an actual. That's rope. That is rope. Alright. I think chicken is done. Because that shit sucks. It's greasy and it's cold. Now, what do we do next? Not the fucking cookie scraps. There's like yeah, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. I lied. Tastes like shit. Alright. And now, before the final one, we're gonna do this apple. Now, I got something special for this. You get to watch me eat it. I like apples, but definitely not this much. Alright. We are done. Baked with the monster. Funny story about Monster. I remember when I was younger, I was sitting in the car with my dad. There was a speedway we lived near, and he drove up to it, grabbed one of the Monster cans that was in the store, bought it, and brought it out to the car in the driver's seat. Right where he was going to drive me to kindergarten. He pops it open. 15 seconds long. It felt longer, but it was like probably 15 seconds. And then, when I got older, we were at a drug mart. He was like, hey, I got some Monster. Sweet. He's driving out of the drug mart. About to drive me to my mom's house. Click. 15 seconds. Some unlocked in my brain like, what? Like, because I remember when I was younger, I'd seen this guy drink a shit ton of Monster. Like an unreasonable amount. And then he just quit one day. We are, going to do something unique with this apple. What does that do? It's getting hotter. Ooh, definitely getting hotter. Burning it doesn't work. We're going to the next option. Here's a cool bat I found on the side of the road. Oh, I missed. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to go to the next option. Oh, makeshift spear. Why else would I have a makeshift spear other than to do this? Oh man, I cut it in half. And finally, for my last act, we will be eating pork. I bought a fork. Get that shit out of here. Alright. That's a pretty big that's a pretty big thing of pork. Very big bite. Just this little ass piece left. Then we're gonna finish the monster. And then officially we'll be done with this bullshit. Excuse me. We're done with the pork. We're done with the Subway and the rotisserie. We're done with the 2 apples. And now we have half a monster left. Do I chug it? Yes. Am I gonna piss like crazy? Also, yeah. Alright. These are the end results. Pork. Rotisserie. 2 apples. And Subway cookies. Destroyed. Finished. The monster will be added to the collection. Perfect balance. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is like my first ever mukbang video. So, you know, if you could like it, and yeah, you don't have to follow or nothing. I'm not gonna be one of those like and follow, or else I'm gonna fuck you.